When you have a finished catalogue, you can generate a PDF file. Click PDF on the toolbar and then generate PDF in the pop-up. If you have a lot of products in your catalogue, this can take some time. When your PDF file is ready, you can click Download PDF in the pop-up. Or follow the link in your email. So now you can view your PDF catalogue offline. Remember that if you make further changes to your catalogue, you need to regenerate the PDF file. For example, to change the cover image, upload the new image, click PDF on the toolbar and then regenerate PDF in the pop-up. And when the PDF is ready, you can download it again and view the revised catalogue as a PDF.